Kamati mar Olympics mar Kenya ochako chenro mar puonjo kendo tiego jong'wech ma geto ikogi ne tuke mag Olympics botuge piny ma Amerika higa mar 2028. Jong'wech aboro mawuok e kidienje kaka tennis, abal, fencing, amen, ting'o ratil kod mamoko biro yudo tiegruok kod lony e chenroni mabiro dhi nyime nyaka higa mar 2028. Moko kuom jotugo mabiro yudo tiegruok oting'o Angela Okutoi mabiro ting'o bendera mar Kenya telo mokwongo e tuke mag Abasidi e Olympics go.
First of all, I'm really happy to get this scholarship twice, and delighted first of all, and thanks to IOC, NOCK, and my federation for believing in me for the second time. And I know this scholarship is going to help me towards preparation to LA 2028.
But being given this second chance means that they have seen the potential and they have entrusted me to take shooting to the next level and to take shooting in Kenya and place it on the world map. I'm really grateful.
These scholarships will be supporting individual athletes to practice, to ensure that the requirements or whatever they need in terms of financial support, it's provided by NOCK through the IOC Solidarity Program.